Hi, I'm Hans-Peter. Today I'd like to present you the Composum Nodes tool suite, in case you don't know it yet. If you're working as a developer with Apache Sling or an Adobe Experience Manager, or are administrating such servers, then that contains quite a number of pretty valuable tools for you. There's a JCR browser, which allows you to inspect and change the JCR repository, view and set access control lists, edit Sling context-aware configurations, let you search the content repository with queries, and much more. There's a user manager, and if you're working with pure Apache Sling, there's also a package manager for you. And there's quite a number of little tools like recent requests, log file viewer, or an OSGI bundle viewer available through Nodes, which you might sorely miss if you're using AEM as a cloud service. In this video, I want to give you a little tour through the browser and much of the other stuff to give you a quick impression. Composum Nodes is free and open source, so I invite you to try it out. This is the main browser view. You can go through the content, look at all those nodes, and inspect the properties. And of course, you can edit them or call them up in a special dialog to edit them. There's also a preview, which shows you what the content looks like when rendered in a page. You can have a look at the source. This is the right thing if you want to copy that into your IDE. Or you can find references for pages. There's also an access control tab where you can inspect those access control entries and also change them. And last but not least, there's a view for Sling context-aware configuration. You can view the values, and you can also go into the configuration editor and edit those properties. If you are working with Apache Sling, then you also have a package manager available. In the case of Adobe AEM, there will be just a link to the usual AEM package manager. There you can have a look at the installed packages. What you see are the packages of the full Composum suite with pages and assets, so on. For Nodes there are less packages, of course. There you can inspect the packages and edit the folders and view the paths or edit some options there. And of course you can install, delete, upload and create packages if you like. And there's a user manager. You can inspect all the users in the tree, have a look at their profile and settings, can view the access control rules which apply to those users, or view the diagram of all those relationships of them. And of course you can have a look at the groups as well. And it's possible to create groups as system users and users. There's also a tools menu, which has many of the tools that are usually available through the Felix console and some more. You might especially appreciate this if you're working with AEM as a cloud service, since the Felix console isn't easily available there anymore. Now there's a view of the bundles with many of the details. There's a file manager which can let you view log files. You can view settings. You have a thread dump. You can have a look at recent requests, server resolvers and so on, as you can do in the console. And there's even a service graph which can show you some details about this service relationships. The browser is deployed in Adobe Experience Manager. You have also quite a number of links there, which will open the currently shown page inside or the editor, for instance. There's also a JCR query tool you can open. There's even a small AI which might help you generating a query. The documentation and installation instructions are available at composum.com. Please have a look at the other tools we have to offer as well. Thanks for watching. I hope the browser can support you as well as it does support me in my daily work. Have fun with it. Bye.